Tamil Nadu, Kavya Express and Priya, captain of Tamil. Toss time, the captain of Tamil Nadu. Priya and Kerala captain. Call of Tamil, and it is favor of Tamil Nadu. So good news from Gaya Bihar. Tamil Nadu won the toss. So is red Tamil. First 7 in Kartika Express, Tiger, Priya. So really in great form and great all-rounder Kavya. Now start hota match. Tamil after won the toss on the red. Very crucial and important match. 34th Sub-Junior National Kabaddi Championship 2025 at from Gaya Bihar and Mr. Gajanand RJ. Most welcome all of you, and fine start with the point on very first red. Tamil on fire, and now Kerala on the red. So 1-0 leading on the starting red. Tamil Nadu between Kerala, a crucial and big match, but both team playing first time in this championship each other. केरला 6 नंबर से इस वक्त देखते हैं बॉडी लैंग्वेज कमज़ोर है, और यहाँ काव्या सुपर ऑलराउंडर फ्रॉम तमिल साइड. Great defender on the corner, and Rudder also brilliant and try to running attack, and one more addition into the Tamil score. Second point goes to Tamil Nadu. What a start. So welcome all of you, all Kabaddi fans, and now captain of Tamil, Priya. Good sign, great and green signature. Won the toss and chose the red. 3-0 leading here. 3-0 से बढ़त बनाए हुए, और इस कैप्टन फायर. फोर्थ पॉइंट. 4-0 लीडिंग. 4-0 से बढ़त बनाए हुए केरला के अगेंस्ट, और केरला अंडर प्रेशर. डू और डाई अंडर प्रेशर केरला नाउ, एंड तमिलनाडु want to or losing first point Tamil here. So now captain once again on the red. So open his account finally Kerala. केरला आखिरकार खाता खोलता हुआ, और कैप्टन ऑन फायर डेफिनेटली. क्या तूफान पैदा कर रहा है इस समय तमिलनाडु. 4-1 यानी 3 पॉइंट की बढ़त बना चुका है, जबकि 5 के डिफेंस में इस वक्त केरला. एंगल किक इन द एयर एंड इट्स मेन स्ट्रेंथ. हाई कॉन्फिडेंस really. Again and again Tamil Nadu continue super work under 17, under 19, sub-junior, senior, and now sub-junior SGFI. Solid defense, corner to corner, excellent cover, excellent catch. 6th point comes in Tamil pocket. 6th point जबकि super tackle on 3 defender. It's a big challenge, tough exam of defender or solid defense. Oh, our confidence, I think Priya captain of Tamil here. It's no need to our confidence of Tamil, but it's part of game. It happens sometime. Now 6 defender Kartika on the corner, left side and right side. Number 9, corner to corner, center cover, superb captaincy, outstanding defense. Excellent rudders Kavya, Tiger. What a brave girl. So would you want to support which team and which player? You can ask a question, and you can motivated of every player with the motivate comments. So you are watching from GD Goenka Public School, Gaya Bihar, and 34th Sub-Junior National Kabaddi Championship 2025. First day, opening day, and first match Tamil Nadu here playing against Kerala. बहुत बेहतरीन मुकाबला. Conversation in the air, and it's Number 6 rudder on the red. First time I think in this match. Left and right and front on back foot and try to running attack with the long hand. Calling continue touch point. Maybe. Should be. No damage done. Score is still now. Same 6 or 1. Do or die Kerala. It's under pressure. Tamil Nadu should be tackle here. Oh, losing and Kerala. One more point. एक और पॉइंट है केरला के खजाने में, लेकिन 9 नंबर 6 में तमिलनाडु सेफ कम बैक. नंबर 10 केरला 10 नंबर पहचान संख्या में. आत्मविश्वास है लेकिन थोड़ी सी गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत है केरला को. तमिलनाडु वंस अगेन पासिंग द टाइम. ओह डाइविंग, ग्रेट वर्क काव्या टाइगर. एक्सीलेंट कैच, same as it is Tiger. Copy. What would you say about Kavya's angle hold catch? And now 2 point captain of Tamil, Pirya. So super work in the first half Tamil Nadu. So much happy here. So all audience of Tamil and solid defense. Excellent cover in the sea safe. And now on the big success, last player of the Kerala and captain coming with the high confidence and will want to all out here. Yes, it is first time Kerala all out against Tamil Nadu and it's a big achievement. 3-point goals to Tamil. Time out Kerala. So score now Tamil Nadu 12 double figure and Kerala only on 4. So 8-point leading after all out. केरला लगातार ट्राई करता हुआ 3 नंबर पहचान संख्या में. अंडर प्रेशर, समय का दबाव. सेफ कम बैक विदाउट एनी एडिशन इनटू द स्कोर. Pirya once again, what a confidence on cloud line. Tamil Nadu definitely a great team. And now one more point. 13 moves on Tamil and Kerala on for stealing. Continue. Solid defense, corner to corner, center cover, outstanding captaincy and super work Kavya and Pirya. So Tiger, Kavya and Pirya Express. So Kavya, the younger sister of the Karthika Express, everybody know, and it's safer radar, I think. Yes, it is. One more point. So score now Tamil 40 and Kerala on 4. 10-point leading. So it's a good sign. So much happy, I think, and solid days here. Number 2, super work Kavya, Tiger of, and she is a younger sister of Karthika Express. What would you think about that player and captain of Tamil? For defender and passing the time, obviously, why not? Because 11-point leading, and it's a good thing after leading every red time we'll want to pass 28-29 seconds. Kerala under pressure, left to right, right to left, and a strong defense. Every player of Tamil with the good consistency, good conversation, solid defense. Angle kick on the corner with the left leg, and 16-point goes to for Tamil Nadu.
Hello.
Under pressure, Kerala continue. Number
Last
6.
and final ball for boys section match. Rajasthan versus Manipur. Rajasthan versus Manipur. Would the team manager kindly sign immediately court number 3?
Number 3. Continue try here.
Court number 3 official. Referee Nandakishore. Umpire Ravinder Babu. Manoj Negi.
Number 1.
Scorer Devidas Kamri.
Do or die.
Assistant Scorer Prince Kumar Subhas Kalita. Do or die. Monoja. 30 seconds.
Solid defense, double thigh attack and corner to corner. Kavya once again excellent work with her partner and very crucial and important point favoring Tamil Nadu. Score sheet super take along. Only two defender and it's a tough exam as same as IS, IPS. Not easy as G 1, 2, 3, 4 Kerala. But Tamil Nadu will want to take advantage here. Angle kick, yes it is. Once again, one more angle kick on the left corner with the left leg. Last player of the Kerala and angle hold. Also great catch. Kavya Tiger of Tamil. Second time all out and bonus into Kerala. So now we score 21 Tamil Nadu and 5 Kerala. Continue scoring and super work officials scorer. So first half time little bit to go and 16-point leading Tamil Nadu and one more losing here Kerala. Kerala defense not so good and poor I think so far in this match, but Tamil Nadu very strong with the high confidence. Her Tamil Nadu every player confidence on cloud line. Try to continue with the running attack with the long hand, but safe on the back foot. Tamil number 9 is a very also good all-rounder. Excellent corner on the right corner and excellent radar and easily taken 1 point here. So it's Tamil Nadu. Karthik Express so much happy with the performance now, doing super work. You are also happy. Belong if Tamil Nadu and diving in the air after long time, couple of points and big red so far of Kerala first time double point on single red, but continue attack. Tamil Nadu fire number 9. Safe comeback. Number 1. Passing time Kerala side not so good signature, but Tamil Nadu will happy. Number 6. Good signature. Really. GD Goenka Public School, Gaya, Bihar. First day and in the floodlights under superb match playing between these two. Bonus after long time bonus. So bonus also very important for every team, every player, and running attack. Tamil Nadu will want to on. Would have been Thai attack but losing, and Kerala once again taking points here. Really easily on the corner, invited for the mistake and losing Kerala. Kavya one corner on the left side number 2 and her partner Pirya on opposite corner, right corner. Captain of Tamil and Kavya, definitely a great player of Karthik Express younger sister. Bonus once again. So now on the biggest score, Tamil Nadu. First half some few seconds to go. Number 3 Kerala लगातार प्रेशर में, कभी आगे तो कभी पीछे. Solid defense and dash to the right side and with the power of Tamil Nadu. Now face expression. It's really happy. It's a half time. So score now on the half time 27 Tamil Nadu and only 8 score Kerala. So 19-point leading and coach continue coaching with the Kavya Tiger Express and drinking water. It's a must for every player on the ground. And what a guidance of coaches. Super work with the Priya, Kavya and her full team. Second half starting. केरला बिग अंडर प्रेशर, बहुत बड़े दबाव में है। जिस प्रकार से तमिलनाडु ने बढ़त बनाई फर्स्ट हाफ में ऑल आउट करते हुए। और ये देखिए सॉलिड डिफेंस वंस अगेन तमिलनाडु और काव्या डूइंग वेरी वेल वर्क इनटू द फ्रंट, सॉलिड द वॉल ऑफ तमिल काव्या। एंड नाउ नंबर 6, ओहो रनिंग अटैक सडनली इन द एयर फ्लाइंग, same as Air India airplane. One more two point here. And now Tamil Nadu on 24, but Kerala under pressure. Super tackle on number 2 defender is there. Big under pressure, one side definitely will be dangerous. Oh, double thigh attack, but reaching, oh, losing, maybe just past the center line, and solid super tackle and crucial. Double point, and Kerala goes to in double figure. Chance for all out, but some centimeters behind to the center and target line. Super tackle once again. Now 3 defender and easily flying in the air. One more point. Do or die. Solid back hold. Yes, it is. Oh, last moment, just past the center line. Great tackle. Number 10. Full marks goes to Kavya's partner, number 10. And now last player in the second half. Overall, second time all out maybe. Yes, it is. Big
Last and
success.
final call to court.
So finally score now 32 Tamil Nadu and only 10 score Kerala. So 22 point leading Tamil Nadu definitely will win the match. So now we are going for the next match. Many congratulations Tamil Nadu, Kavya, Priya, and best of luck for the next match. Good night, have sweet dreams.